Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: a connected phone, Wi-Fi or mobile data, and a recovery email or number. Once ready, open Settings or the Gmail app and choose Add Account, then Google. Enter your name and a new username. This becomes your identity across Google services. Make sure to create a strong password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols because it protects Gmail, Drive, and other sync data. If you see suggestions, pick a unique one to avoid conflicts. Once you've chosen a username and password, Google will often ask to verify your phone. Enter the code sent by SMS to confirm you own the number. Next, review recovery options and privacy settings. These determine how easily you get back in if locked out and what data Google uses for personalization. Make decisions about backup and sync. Enable contacts or photos if you want automatic syncing. After agreeing to the terms, wait a moment while Google finalizes account creation and sets up basic sync across apps. Finish by confirming the account shows under Settings Accounts and sign into Gmail to send a test email. This verifies sync and authentication. If messages don't appear, make sure sync is enabled and check sync frequency or background data restrictions. Should sign-in fail, clear the app cache, reboot the phone, and reattempt. If problems continue, reset network settings or remove and re-add the Google account. One key tip: keep your recovery email updated to avoid lengthy account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.